There he is. Look at this clown. Did you see the arrest? When you watch the arrest of this guy, there's something really off. Like, he doesn't look like a dude, to tell you the truth. I mean, his pants are kind of falling down, and if you look close, like, there ain't nothing there. And it kind of looks like he's got a little something up top, like he's wearing a bra or something. I don't know what's wrong with him. I'm not trying to get off subject or anything, but look at his situation there. Doesn't it kind of look like a face? Like his titties and his fupa? Doesn't it kind of look like a, you know, it looks like a face, right? Like, I think it looks like Captain Caveman.
Captain Caveman!
Anyway, what are the odds that both assassins would be in a BlackRock commercial? Let's calculate that. They would be about 1 in
300 million, trillion, 300 million, million, trillion.
$1 million.
Well, yeah, obviously I went all ADD with that video. I'll post the one I originally intended to later on. Or maybe I won't.
That's all, folks.